Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to block unwanted emails in Gmail. So to start with, you need to open up your account and you need to find the message, the email you want to block. So say it's this one. So I'm going to open up the message, and on the top right hand corner, the three dots, I'm going to press on that and I'm going to click on block. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to block that person. So I'm going to click on block. Now, if they send you any more emails, that will now be sent to your spam. If you want to unblock that person, you can go into your spam folder, click on their message, and you can either report not spam, or you can click on the three dots again and unblock that person. If you want to check your blocked email addresses, you can do that by clicking on the settings tab in the top right, clicking on see all settings and filters and blocked addresses. From here you can see all the people you've blocked, and if you need to unblock them, you can do that on the right as well. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.